if you have any suggestions for, yeah, I got this going. Okay. Any suggestions for note-taking or note-taking overall? Do we really need all those colorful pens? I think it's all personal preference. I think with any kind of, kind of gimmick or anything like that, like it's going to be, your kind of preference, what you learn. I think the one thing for note taking is try to have, one thing that we've had when I had students with IEPs or 504 plans is trying to have the notes already pre-written ahead of time. I think I found that to be very helpful. And that's something I started doing mainstream in my class because it was so beneficial for those students. And I think for all students that they should know going into class, having the notes printed out so they know what to expect and they can review them ahead of class. So I think that's important. I do think using different pens, at least of having a separate like of your formal notes and then like your comments, or like special things. I think that is important. I'm not really for sure about all the different colors. I don't know that what that is used for or if I use that in class, but I think there's, some benefit to it. And I think really your kind of personal preference is going to play the most important role.